Are you a manufacturer that's struggling to recruit and retain quality engineering talent because they end up wasting their time doing tedious, busy work? Your engineers spent years learning how to do the work of real engineering, designing new items, improving existing items, or creating entirely new product offerings. No engineer wants to spend countless hours doing mind-numbing data management between Creo and IFS. So why not let CADTALK do that for you? CADTALK provides a pre-built, configurable integration between Creo and IFS. It extracts data directly from Creo, connects with IFS, and reconciles everything. Whether you're dealing with long lead time items, engineering changes, or new product releases, here's my Creo design that I'll be transforming into a production-ready bill of material inside of IFS. And here's what that design looks like inside the CADTALK interface. The engineering workbench lets me review everything before sending it to IFS. The interface is color-coded for clarity. Red icons show new parts. CADTALK will create them in IFS. Green icons indicate existing parts with no changes. We even have yellow icons that highlight existing parts with changes to review. With a glance, you can quickly see where and what your changes are. No more spreadsheets, no more stare and compare, no more manually checking items one by one. Clicking a part shows exactly what changed in the panel on the right. I can choose which version to keep and update in real time, right inside the CADTALK interface. Once I've reviewed everything, like changing quantities in yellow here, or adding these new parts labeled in red to the BOM, I just hit Save. CADTALK then automatically updates IFS with all new parts, BOMs, and changes. While CADTALK runs in the background, your engineers can move on to work that adds value to your company. And that leads to a happier engineer and helps increase your revenue. Talk about a win-win. Just like that, you'll see everything turn green, ready in IFS. What used to take hours or days now takes just minutes. Instead of wasting time exporting spreadsheets, writing macros, or using custom scripts, CADTALK reconciles everything directly, quickly and reliably. Now I'll switch over to IFS so you can see the results. Here in IFS, you can see the new item created by CADTALK, complete with operations, routing steps, and all the metadata needed for a production-ready bill of material. So whether you're using Creo, as we saw today, SolidWorks, or any CAD, PDM, or PLM system, CADTALK makes it easy to reconcile changes with a live, bi-directional integration between your CAD system and IFS. If you have questions or want to see how CADTALK works for your specific manufacturing needs, go to cadtalk.com/demo. And our team will build a personalized demo just for you. Happy integrating!